Hello, Athena. Are you mad? Hello, gorgeous woman. She's getting so much bigger. She used to be very, very scrawny. She's actually putting on a lot of weight. We put her on a diet per her vet because she was actually really underweight. Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. We have been absent for quite a while. Today, I got an exciting package in the mail and I really just wanted to sit down, focus on the positive, open it up, talk about it. I know there's a bunch of videos circulating the internet already. So we have the mini. It actually came in this really cute pink Jeffree Star box. Totally iconic for his brand. I do have my other phone, it's correct, but we're going to use it for informational purposes. This box does retail for $25. It is the mini. I did order the other 3 sizes. There were 4 boxes this time. The Preem, Deluxe, and Supreme. I did not get them yet. They have not actually even shipped at this point, but like Jeffree Star, sometimes you won't even get a notification that things shipped and then all of a sudden it'll just show up at your house. So we're waiting for that. But I did get my mini. Like I said, it's worth $25. It does have an estimated value of $64. So I'm really excited to actually dig into this. It's supposed to contain 4 items. So I think that's all the information that we need. I actually did purchase one of his mirrors. I have it here with me. I'm really excited to actually open this up and unbox it. But first, I really definitely want to do the mystery box, the mini one. I actually really like this box. I like the Tiffany blue against like the canary yellow. I think that's so cute, and it has the yellow tissue paper. These boxes are definitely always on theme for me, and I think they're super cute and super adorable. Okay guys, so this one's a little bit new for me, but the first item that I pulled out is this Velour liquid lipstick. It's 5.6 milliliters or 0.19 fluid ounces. I'm guessing it's a mystery shade because there's not an actual name anywhere on the box. I don't know if you guys have watched other videos that went out before mine and maybe they found the name, but oh wait, hold on one second. Nope, there's still no name on it. It is a mystery shade, and that's what it looks like swatched on my hand. It's really pretty. It definitely looks much more darker for the swatch. If I can actually show you, like in person, it looks like a really pink, like mauve-y, like purple. It's showing up much more darker on camera, but it definitely is much more lighter in person. But the swatch definitely matches what it shows on camera. But in person, to me, if I hold it to the light, it looks much more lighter. Or maybe it's just my eyes playing tricks on me. These do retail for $18. Okay, so I'm gonna put 18 on the calculator. Next item that we have actually the gloss. This looks like it's from the Blood Money collection. This shade is Peach price tag. Let's see if we can get it out of the packaging. I really like the green. I think that's really unique. He always takes his packaging really to the next level. He really thinks about everything, in my opinion. And here's what it looks like outside the package, if you've never seen it. It's actually a really pretty shade. Glitter ones. I think that's really, really pretty. I really like his lip gloss. That also does retail for $18 as well. Okay, so the next thing that we have out of the box is this Jeffree Star Cosmetics Automatic Eyeliner. Now these actually retail for $20 each, so we're at $56, and I still have 2 items left. This is called the Money Counter. Here's what it looks like. I think I have another one of these somewhere in my collection. Here's what it looks like swatched. Not sure if I'm a fan of that green, but I'm definitely going to try it. I have green eyes, and green eyeliner really on any eyes is really, really good, but I noticed that green eyeliner really pops with green eyes, so definitely going to have to maybe give it a try. Again, those do retail for $20, so with those 3, we are at $56. Okay, so now at $9.99 each, we actually have 2 of these. These are the single eyeshadows. I hope he comes out with like a single eyeshadow pan where you can actually like build your own palette. That'd be pretty cool. I think a few brands have done that before. I know I got one from like Kylie Cosmetics like way back in the day where she came out with like a snap-in pan and then you put in your own individual shadows. I really hope he does that. We have shade Undertaker and we have shade Sweetener. Okay, so if I looked at the info correctly online, it did say that it retailed for $64. I actually came to a total of $76 with the Mystery Velour Liquid Lipstick, the lip gloss, the eyeliner pencil, and then the 2 shadows, $76. I think it's all in all a good box. I'm not a fan of the mystery shade. I'm not a fan of it, but I'm really glad that he's still doing mystery items that are only exclusive to these boxes. I like the lip gloss, the eyeshadows. I'm not really a big fan of them. I feel like I pretty much own every single Jeffree Star palette. So to me, it kind of feels like I'm repurchasing or getting things that I already own. For $25, not a bad box. I mean, there's like at least, well, there's supposed to be 4 items in here. I think I got 5 items, so I'm definitely not mad at that. That's pretty cool. I really like this box and I love the colors again. Okay, so the last part of this that I wanted to show you guys, because part of the mystery box launches, they actually came out with some new mirrors. I don't know if this is new, if it's been around, but I absolutely love Creamsicle anything. Creamsicle floats. Just really, really enjoy it. So I got the mirror. I think this is so cute and so shiny. Like absolutely adorable today. Positive affirmations, you know? I think this is so cute and so adorable. I couldn't find the Neapolitan one when I looked online. Maybe it had already sold out. Because I definitely wanted to snag that one, but I think I'm going to start collecting Jeffree Star mirrors. Let me know what you guys think below. Let me know what you think below in the comment section of the mystery boxes. Have people been getting different variants? Have majority of people been getting 5 items instead of 4 items? And have they been way over retail value? So I showed everybody everything that they came to the video for. As far as like my OGs, the ones that have been around for a very long time, I want to talk to you guys about the mystery, or about the giveaway. We will still be doing it this year. It had to get pushed back. It sucks. But I know that I have a lot of loyal people. The giveaway will still happen. Just give me a few more months. I promise you, I will definitely be adding stuff to it too. Thank you guys so much for watching. To the next one, stay beautiful, stay sexy. Thank you.